Hi, everybody. We're going to make our letter A today. I have my dough mat printed and laminated. I'm going to use orange to match the border of my mat, but you can use whatever color you have. The first thing I want to always start with is taping down my mat because we're going to be rolling and moving our Play-Doh on the mat area, and it will wiggle wobble everywhere if we don't put some tape down. So that this is just some painter's tape or scotch tape that we can easily take up and down. And you just want to make sure your mat's not moving on the table you're going to use. So we're going to be working on the letter A today. In our visual here, we can see that we need 3 pieces of Play-Doh. We're going to make 3 logs, 2 big logs, and 1 small log. I'm going to use the same color for all 3. Again, you can use whatever colors you have available, but we're going to make the same shapes together. So let me start by breaking my chunks. We're going to need 2 biggish chunks. I'm going to add some to there, and then the third chunk is going to be smaller than the 2 big chunks. So I'm going to just kind of eyeball it, and then we'll adjust it as needed. So let's make this one first. So I'm going to just get my Play-Doh softened up in my hands. And then I'm going to roll it out. What I love about using the mat is that I can place my piece over the model to see if it's the right size before we put it in our working space. That looks really good. So we have our first line going down. I'm going to place it in my build your own letter spot. Now we're going to work on the second diagonal line. We're going to soften up that dough, roll it out. It's going to be the same length as this one, but instead of going down to the left, it will be going down to the right. If you need to pick it up, there's different ways you can make the log shape. That matches pretty well. I'm going to place that over here and pinch the tops together a little bit. Now we're missing the last piece, the last line going across. So I have my smaller blob. I'm going to roll this one out. And that matches pretty well. And I can sit it right on top. I can press it down if I want to. And then we can practice tracing the shape with our finger or with in the air. We're going to start at the top. Big line down. Jump back up. Big line down. Little line across. A for apple. Good job.